Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we've got a fascinating topic that's bound to catch your attention. 7 incredible vitamins to repair nerve damage. Whether it's from diabetes, an injury, or any other condition, nerve damage can be a real challenge to live with, affecting your quality of life in many ways. But did you know that certain vitamins can play a crucial role in repairing and even regenerating damaged nerves? That's right. So, if you're looking for natural ways to support nerve health and healing, you're in the right place. If you're new here, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button and click the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest tips and updates. Now, let's dive into these 7 vitamins that could be game changers in dealing with nerve damage. Leading off at number 7 in our countdown is vitamin B1, also known as thiamine. This vitamin is crucial for keeping our nervous system healthy. It's especially important for anyone dealing with diabetic neuropathy, a condition common in diabetes that results in nerve damage, leading to discomfort and numbness, often in the hands and feet. There's been some interesting research on this. For instance, a study published in the Journal of Neurological Science found that thiamine is quite effective at improving how nerves communicate, which is particularly beneficial for people with diabetes. Another review in nutrition research pointed out thiamine's role in protecting nerves. It supports the health of myelin sheaths, the protective covering around our nerves, ensuring messages are smoothly transmitted throughout our body and helping with the repair of any nerve damage. What's more, incorporating foods rich in thiamine into your diet could be a good defense strategy against nerve damage. A piece of research highlighted in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition suggested that diets high in whole grains can increase thiamine levels significantly, potentially safeguarding against nerve-related issues. Foods like whole grains, pork, and nuts are excellent sources of thiamine. Ensuring you get enough vitamin B1 is particularly wise for those managing or at risk of diabetic neuropathy. By bolstering nerve health and function, thiamine can alleviate some of the symptoms associated with nerve damage, potentially improving your quality of life. Next up at number 6 is vitamin B6, a key nutrient essential for our nerve health. This vitamin is crucial for making neurotransmitters, which are like the messengers that let our nerves talk to each other. When we don't have enough vitamin B6, our nervous system just can't work as it should, which might lead to various nerve-related and psychological challenges. Vitamin B6 also has some impressive anti-inflammatory powers. Since inflammation can cause a lot of nerve pain and other issues, vitamin B6 can really come to the rescue by easing that inflammation, thus helping reduce pain and keeping the nervous system healthy. One noteworthy piece of research, published in the Journal of Inflammation Research, really shines a light on how important vitamin B6 is for our nerves. This study found that taking extra vitamin B6 significantly cut down inflammation in people with nerve health issues, showing us just how powerful this vitamin can be in looking after our nervous system. Eating foods high in vitamin B6 like avocados, bananas, and chicken isn't just good for you. It's a smart move for keeping your nerves in good shape. Avocados don't just bring vitamin B6 to the table, they're also packed with healthy fats that are great for brain health. Bananas are a quick and easy snack that'll help keep your vitamin B6 levels where they should be, and chicken is a flexible protein that can fit into all sorts of meals, making sure you're getting the B6 your body needs to keep those nerves running smoothly. Taking the 5th place on our list is vitamin B12, an absolute must-have for keeping our nerves in good shape. This vitamin is key for fixing and looking after our nervous system. It helps regenerate the myelin sheath, a protective layer around our nerve fibers, which is crucial for nerves to send signals properly. Without this sheath in good condition, we could be looking at serious nerve damage and a bunch of neurological issues. The stakes are high with vitamin B12 because not having enough can lead to pernicious anemia, a type of anemia that comes with nerve damage due to poor myelin sheath formation. If you're experiencing numbness, a tingling sensation in your hands and feet, muscle weakness, or trouble walking, these could be signs of a B12 deficiency, underscoring how vital B12 is for our nerve health. A study in the Journal of Neurology, Neurosurgery and Psychiatry showed how vitamin B12 supplements could actually improve how fast nerves can send signals in people with nerve pain symptoms. This kind of research really drives home how crucial B12 is for nerve repair and keeping our nervous system running smoothly. Getting enough vitamin B12 is especially crucial. Fish, meat and dairy are great sources, giving plenty of ways to make sure you're getting this essential vitamin. And for those not eating animal products, fortified foods or supplements can fill in the gaps to keep B12 levels up. Securing the fourth place in our lineup is vitamin E, a superstar nutrient celebrated not only for its ability to fight off harmful molecules in our bodies, but also for its crucial support to our nerve health. Thanks to vitamin E's ability to neutralize oxidative stress and other harmful molecules, it acts as a shield for our nerves, preventing the type of damage that can lead to neuropathy and similar nerve troubles. Vitamin E is also a big supporter of our immune system. It helps keep our blood flowing smoothly and plays a part in keeping our nervous system healthy. It's about more than just preventing damage. It also aids in repairing and improving nerve health as time goes on. A study from the Journal of the Peripheral Nervous System really puts into perspective how beneficial vitamin E can be, especially for folks dealing with peripheral neuropathy. The study showed that vitamin E could actually decrease oxidative stress and improve how fast nerves can send signals, directly benefiting nerve health. When it comes to getting your fill of vitamin E, almonds, spinach, and sweet potatoes are your go-to options. They're not just good for you, they're also flexible in how you can use them in the kitchen. Snack on almonds, toss spinach into a smoothie or salad, or savor the sweetness of bake or mashed sweet potatoes. These foods offer enjoyable ways to make sure you're getting enough vitamin E. Number 3 on our fascinating list is vitamin C, the hero nutrient famous for keeping our immune system fighting fit. But there's another side to vitamin C that deserves a spotlight, its crucial role in nerve repair. This vitamin is a key player in making collagen, a protein that's essential for fixing and maintaining all our tissues, nerves included. So, when it comes to healing nerve damage and keeping nerves healthy, vitamin C is doing some heavy lifting. Plus, vitamin C is a powerful antioxidant. It fights against oxidative stress, which is a big troublemaker when it comes to nerve damage. This kind of stress kicks off a lot of nerve problems, so vitamin C's ability to battle it is great news for anyone focused on nerve health. There was this standout study in the Journal of Clinical Biochemistry and Nutrition that really showed off what vitamin C can do for damaged nerves. It found that getting extra vitamin C not only makes the environment around nerve tissues better, but also helps nerves recover after they've been injured. The great thing about vitamin C? It's all over the place in fruits and vegetables. Citrus fruits like oranges and lemons, strawberries and bell peppers are packed with it. So, by making sure you're getting plenty of vitamin C from your diet, you're doing more than just keeping colds at bay. You're actively helping your nerves repair and stay healthy. Taking the silver medal in our journey through the best vitamins for nerve repair is vitamin D, often hailed as the sunshine vitamin. This is because our bodies can make vitamin D when we soak up some sun. But its benefits stretch far beyond its sunny origin. Vitamin D is vital for nerve growth and easing the pain that comes with nerve damage, making it a key player in keeping our nervous system in check. The value of vitamin D for our nerves is twofold. Firstly, it's essential for nerve growth, crucial not only for developing a healthy nervous system, but also for mending it after any damage. Whether it's helping nerves recover from injury or combating the numbness and pain that can come with nerve damage, vitamin D is on the front lines. Secondly, vitamin D acts as a natural painkiller, especially beneficial for those dealing with nerve damage. Research has shown that lower vitamin D levels can mean higher pain levels, suggesting that boosting your vitamin D could help dial down the discomfort. This makes vitamin D supplements a potentially powerful tool for improving life quality for anyone battling nerve-related pain. A standout piece of research in the Journal of Neurology found a clear link between having enough vitamin D and experiencing less neuropathic pain, particularly in folks with diabetic neuropathy. This study really emphasizes how vital vitamin D can be in managing nerve pain and overall nerve health. But while basking in the sunlight is a great way to get your vitamin D, it's not always enough, especially when the weather doesn't cooperate or you can't get outside much. Luckily, vitamin D is also found in foods like fatty fish, egg yolks, and fortified milk and cereal. And for those who need a bit more help getting their vitamin D levels up, supplements are a handy option to make sure you're getting enough of this crucial nutrient. But remember, it's important to consult your healthcare provider first before starting any supplement regimen. They can provide personalized advice based on your health needs and ensure that the supplements won't interfere with any other medications you might be taking. Taking the number one spot in our list, with an interesting twist, is magnesium. Now, magnesium might often get mixed up as a vitamin, but it's actually a mineral that's super important for our health, especially for our nervous system. It plays a key role in how nerves send messages and even acts as a bit of a guardian, protecting against nerve damage that could lead to pain or problems with how our nerves function. Magnesium keeps an eye on calcium levels in our nerve cells, which is pretty important because too much calcium can harm these cells, leading to issues seen in various nerve disorders. Magnesium also works on the signaling in our brain and nervous system that can actually turn down the dial on pain, especially the kind that comes from nerve damage, like neuropathy. For anyone who's been dealing with ongoing pain, finding natural ways to manage it can be a real lifesaver, and magnesium might just be one of those natural solutions. An interesting study in the Journal of Physiology really highlighted what magnesium can do for nerve regeneration and pain reduction in conditions where nerves are damaged. This piece of research points to how magnesium can be a key player in fixing and managing nerve health issues. So, how can you make sure you're getting enough magnesium? Well, it's found in lots of healthy foods. Leafy greens like spinach and Swiss chard are great sources and can be tossed into salads and smoothies for a quick nutrient boost. Pumpkin seeds are another fantastic source and make for a tasty snack or salad topping. And don't forget about whole grains like quinoa and brown rice. They're not just good for magnesium, but also bring a bunch of other health benefits to the table. And there you have it, 7 incredible vitamins and a bonus mineral to help repair nerve damage. Integrating these nutrients into your diet can support your nervous system's health and assist in the healing process. Remember, while supplements can be beneficial, getting these vitamins through your diet is always the best approach. Be sure to consult with a healthcare provider before starting any new supplement regimen, especially if you're dealing with nerve damage or other health conditions. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and ring that notification bell so you never miss out on valuable health tips. Have any thoughts or questions? Drop them in the comments below. We love hearing from you. Thanks for watching, and here's to a healthier, happier you.